was a strange noise. All right, let's move into another room. Let's move.
There's two that are following us.
Move
Oh
something,
my gosh.
tap something.
He was about to take the picture. I saw something float up over there where my Phantom radar was detecting something.
I saw that in the camera, but I couldn't.
Right there, because it was floating up and then it missed. Then it went away.
Something went up this way?
It went like.
It went from the ground?
It went from the ground
Okay.
up, and it was right here where my Phantom radar was detecting something. About to take a
Okay.
picture, and then we saw a little ball right over there, and go shoot all the way up.
I saw it go in between Daddy's legs.
And then when she did that, my Phantom detector had something right there, right exactly where that thing was.